Hello and welcome to another WordPress video tutorial. My name is Ufuk and in this tutorial I will show you how to install and use Loco Translate Plugin. Loco Translate is a free built-in translation editor within WordPress. It allows you to create and update language files directly in your theme or plugin. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install Loco Translate Plugin. To install Loco Translate, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Under the Search plugin field, type Loco. As you can see, Loco Translate has already over 1 million active installations and a 5-star rating. Unfortunately, it has not been tested yet with WordPress version 5.3.2, but I don't think that we will have any compatibility issues. Click on the Install Now button. Once installed, click on the blue Activate button. And now navigate to the left menu and you will see Loco Translate. I will not go into too much detail, showing you how to translate a theme or plugin with basic settings. In this example, let's say we are going to translate the 2020 theme. So hover over Loco Translate and click on Themes. Then click on 2020. We are going to create a new language, so click on New Language. As we have a missing template file, we will need to create a template first. Click on Create Template. Again, click on Create Template. And now our template file has been created. We can now create our language. Click again on New Language. And now choose a language. Let's say I want to translate to German. So I have selected German. Now you need to choose a location. This can be confusing if you are not familiar with WordPress localization, but the localization you choose is very important here. For most users I recommend custom. This is Loco's protected folder which is safe from automatic updates, so your translation will not be lost with any WordPress update. And then we click on Start Translating. And now you see in the source text you have all the strings, all the original strings, okay? And let's say I want to translate close menu, okay? Menü schließen. Kategorien. And you see the translation here on the right side, you see what you already have translated, okay? And yeah, when you click on Save, that's all. You don't need to do anything else. It has been translated, and if your WordPress is in German, everything will be shown in German what you have translated. Additionally, you can see here that how many strings. Okay, we have 120 strings in total and 121 untranslated. On the right side you see PO, MO. You can take a backup of your PO file or MO file, and yeah, that's the basic setting for Loco Translate. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For any questions, please use the comment field below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, bye.